Good morning, my lovely students, and welcome back to the art class. In today's video, I'm going to teach you very simple and very nice and cute drawing of flowers and butterflies, which you can later use for any topic such as garden scene or flower basket or any other topic of your choice. So to draw a flower, let's start by making a circle for the center. Done. Now inside this we can make some pollen grains. Children, you know what are pollen grains? Let me just tell you. First, let's complete. Now for the petals, children, let's draw. Use. First make 1 and 2 like this, and then 1 and 2 like that on the sides. Now, do you see this space in between? Yes. In this space, join from there to there. Again, U shape from that petal to this petal, from this petal to this petal, and a beautiful flower is done. Now, let's make the stem. See, my flower is tilting a little. I've not made a straight, erect, standing flower. It's swaying in the wind. Now, the leaf you all know how to draw. That is the stem and the leaf. Let's make the veins on the leaf. The veins help to transport food. The flower makes its food. It takes nutrients and water from the soil, and this is the soil, this is the mud and the grass where it will grow, and the leaves help it to take it up to the different parts of the flower. Let's make another flower. Circle again. This time we are making a heart shape for the petals. फ्लावर की पत्तियों को हम पेटल बोलते हैं, और ये जो उसकी लीव्स होती हैं ये भी हिंदी में पत्तियां बोलते हैं, पर इंग्लिश में हम उसको लीफ बोलते हैं. स्टेम. Draw big, children. It will look very beautiful and vibrant. Now let's change the shape of the leaves this time. I've used ovals. And now again I can repeat the first one. Now children, I was talking to you about pollen grains. So pollen grains you must have seen in the center of the flower. There is this very tiny yellow particles. So these pollen grains, when butterflies and honeybees come and sit on a flower, they stick to the butterfly and honeybee's feet and wings, and when they go and sit on another flower, these pollen grains from one flower are transported to the other flower or to the other plant, and they help in making more flowers. Once again. Okay, this time let me tell you a straighter one. So if you don't want to show that your flower is slanting a little or swaying a little, then you'll make it straight rather than making it slanting. Then on the sides, and then in between. The stem and the leaves. So we are done. Now let's make some grass. Now let's add the butterflies. The butterflies feed on the nectar which is found in the flower. So butterfly is definitely going to be there where there are flowers. A circle for the face, the two curved antennas, a V for the body, the design on the body. And see children, to draw the wings, I'll tell you to write B, alphabet B, bigger on top and the smaller wing at the bottom. And then you can have any of your favorite design in the butterfly's wings. Look again how I have drawn the butterfly. Now since the butterfly is flying towards the flower, this time a B, big and small. Where is the other wing? Big and small. Any design of your choice. You want to make more butterflies? You can add more butterflies to this. In my next video, I will teach you how to color. Thank you, children.